Many of you have heard about DeepSeek. It's an open-source artificial intelligence developed by a Chinese company. In this video I will compare ChatGPT and DeepSeek and try to decide which one is better at coding microcontrollers. The rules are simple. Both AIs should make animations of fish swimming in water. I will give both AIs the same less detailed prompt on the screen and compare which one does it better in one go. So let's start. ChatGPT is up and running. First, ProgMem used for the HTML codes that caught my eye. Good for memory management. ChatGPT used SVG and JavaScript for animation. The code works, let's try it. Serial communication for debugging is not bad. First lines belong to the Wi-Fi Manager library. Okay. It is a very simple design. A fish was made using a circle and a triangle. The animation is fast and continuous. There are no extra interactive features for the user. Let's change the screen size and try it. Not bad. Simple animation, simple design. Now let's use the same prompt in DeepSeek. Let's turn on DeepThink. DeepSeek thinks a lot more than ChatGPT and the user sees this thought. The final code is in a slightly different style. DeepSeek used the extra file system library and I didn't specify it in the prompt. It used CSS for animation. I thought he used the file system for memory management, but it specified the library but didn't use it. After reading its thoughts, it didn't use too many things to keep it simple. This is one of them. But rules are rules. Now let's try the code. Good serial communication for debugging. Again, a simple design, but the swimming animation is more detailed. The movement trajectory of the fish is worse compared to ChatGPT. But an extra interactive color change function has been added for the user. Let's change the screen size and try it. Not bad. In general, ChatGPT is better at memory management. DeepSeek is more creative and can do more creative things with short, simple prompt. A seamless animation experience? None of them. My PowerPoint animation is much better.